How to run a hashtag campaign. We all know the benefits of a successful hashtag campaign. Now let's talk about how you can run your own. We've put together an easy-to-follow 4-step process that will get you well on your way with a hashtag campaign to propel your brand's social strategy forward. 1. Understand your audience. Make sure you know where your audience is and what kinds of content they like to interact with so that you know what type of hashtag campaign to run. Keeping up with social media demographics is just one part of this. You also need to have a clear customer persona set for your target audience so that you understand their online behavior patterns and can create a campaign that they'll be most likely to engage with. 2. Define your goal. Are you trying to make sales, increase awareness, or simply generate some engagement? The end goal of your campaign is going to determine the type of hashtag and campaign you're running. If you want to generate engagement, consider creating a hashtag campaign meant to aggregate information or help your audience have fun with your brand. You could also use this as a chance to run a photo contest centered around a hashtag. If you're looking to increase awareness around your brand, make sure you include at least part of your brand name within the hashtag. Try to come up with a good play on words that you can have fun with on social media. And if you're trying to ramp up sales, keep your hashtag campaign focused on a specific product or service that you can promote. Try to get customers to join in by sharing photos and tweets about their own experiences with your brand. 3. Make participation easy. If it's difficult to interact with your hashtag campaign, your audience won't do it. Simple as that. This means you don't want to require too many steps. This is the same rule of thumb for social media contests. Don't make it hard to enter or participate. It should be as simple as posting a photo or writing a tweet and including your hashtag. When you start trying to add additional steps, like specific guidelines for the types of posts, or asking them to go somewhere for a photo, you're asking a bit too much from your followers, and you're not likely to see the level of engagement and reach that you otherwise would. 4. Choose the right platform. Your last step is to choose the right platform for launching your hashtag campaign. You'll likely be choosing between Twitter and Instagram, as these are the two most popular platforms for hashtags. Since these two social networks are very different, deciding which platform is going to be best should be pretty straightforward. If you plan a photo-based hashtag campaign, you'll want Instagram. If you plan a text or conversation-based hashtag campaign, you'll want Twitter. How to track your hashtag campaign success. Once your hashtag campaign has been live for a while, you'll want to do some measuring to track its success. The KPIs you might want to keep in mind are: posts, how many posts were created using your hashtag? Users, how many different users interacted with your hashtag? Engagement, how many likes, shares, clicks and comments did your hashtag receive? Reach, how people's feeds did your hashtag show up on? Impressions, how many times did your hashtag get viewed? Keeping an eye on these different metrics can help you determine the success of your campaign, or what might need to be adjusted in order to improve performance.